Then I tell you, now I'm not blind. Saying the truth, you took my just for
Giáo Hòa.
Rồi đốt luôn.
Hello.
Dạ.
Ngồi ghế này nè.
Hello.
Hello.
Đi cho chị đốt học. Chị đốt đừng có đi ra ngoài. Học ra quần đã. Chị muốn học thì để xíu đã.
Hello, my dear. Good evening.
Hello.
How are you today?
Thôi nha.
What is that? Is that Koromi?
Đốt cái ghế đi ngồi đốt. Nhiều mai không có màu á. Nhiều đi có hơn không? Nhiều làm đi màu đi á.
Màu sắc cho giúp thích màu. Màu Aerolit cho giúp thích.
Nhà đi muốn gì? Mình làm mình bị ký cánh chim đó.
Okay, Carrot. Can you hear teacher, honey? Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. How are you today? How are you today? Are you happy?
Yes.
You say, yes, I am. I am happy. Can you say that?
I am happy.
Very good. That is right, honey. Have you eaten dinner?
Nhum 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 nhum.
Have you eaten dinner? Okay, that's so great. Did you eat rice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that is great to hear, honey. And now, are you ready for our class? Are you ready for our class? Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, you say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
I am ready.
I am ready.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to our class, honey. Okay. Now, teacher's going to share the screen. We are now going to have our material. Okay. All right. Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see teacher's screen? Yes. Okay. All right. Anyway, honey, we are now going to have this one. But before that, let's have a review. Honey, what is this? Where is this place? Where is this place, honey? Okay, this is a hospital. Can you say that? Hospital.
Hospital.
Very
Hospital.
good. How about this one? How about this one, honey? What is this, Carrot? This one is school. What is this? School. Very good. This one is school. That's right, honey. Now let's move forward to the next one. What is this? What is this place? What is this place? This is Carrot. Honey, what is this? This is home. Yeah.
Oh.
How about this? Do you remember this? Okay. Do you remember this one? This is restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move forward here, honey. My dear, you're going to listen carefully, honey, okay? We are now carrot. Yeah. We are now going to listen to the audio and then repeat. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
Page 18. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where's the doctor?
He's at the hospital.
Okay, let's have the first one, honey. Where's the doctor? Where's the doctor? You say, he's at the hospital.
He's here, doctor.
Very good. One more time. He's
He's
at the
at the
hospital.
hospital.
Very good. One more time. He's at the hospital. Again.
He has the hospital.
Okay, again, honey. Again. Carrot. My dear, you say he's
He
at
is
the
at the
hospital.
hospital.
Very good. He's at the hospital. Your turn.
He is the hospital.
Very good. Correct. Teacher's going to give you a juice.
He
You can have your juice now.
he
Okay, let's continue, okay? Okay, let's have the next one. Let's continue to the next one, honey. Let's listen and say, and then repeat. Let's have this.
Where's the doctor?
She's at the hospital.
Okay, one more time. Where's the doctor? She's at the hospital. Can you say that?
He is the hospital.
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 Very good. One more time, honey. She's
She
at the
the
hospital.
hospital.
She's at the hospital. One more time.
He is at hospital.
Very good. Teacher's going to give you hot dog.
No, 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 no.
Yum, 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 yum,
No, 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 no.
yum, 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 yum.
No, 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 no.
Okay, okay. You. Eat now. You can eat now. Yum, 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 yum.
No, 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 no.
No. You don't like it. Popcorn. French fries.
No,
Do you like-
no,
no. Chips.
No, no.
No. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Let's listen carefully. We have
Where's? Where is? He's. He is.
okay. You say, honey, carrot. You say, where's?
Where
Where is?
is?
Very good. Again, one more time, honey. Where is?
Where is?
Yes.
Ở đâu?
Next, we have he's. He is. He is. Very good. It's
Anh ấy là.
okay. Yes. Next, we have the next one. We have here the word she's. Can you say it? She's. Yeah. She is.
She is.
She is. Yeah.
Cô ấy là
Okay. Now, honey, eyes on the screen, Carrot.
Hãy nhìn vào màn hình đi em yêu.
Okay, let's have
Yeah.
this one. Let's have this one, my dear. Let's listen.
She's. She is. At home.
What is this one, honey? You say at home.
Oh.
Very good. Again, one more time. At home.
At home.
Very good.
Ở nhà.
Very good, honey.
Ở nhà.
At home. Next, we have the second one. Let's listen to the second one we have.
At school.
At school.
School.
Very good. Again, one more time, honey. At school.
School.
Yes. Again, one more time. Say it loudly. At school.
School.
Yes.
Ở trường.
Ở trường. At school. Okay, let's have the next one we have.
At the hospital.
You say at the hospital.
The hospital.
Very good. Okay. At the hospital.
Tại bệnh viện.
Okay. We also have the fourth one, honey. You say at the restaurant.
The restaurant.
Very good. One more time. At the restaurant. Yes, very good.
Tại nhà hàng.
Tại nhà hàng. At the restaurant, honey. Okay, let's go back again one more time. You say number one, Carrot. You say at home.
At school.
At school.
At school.
At the hospital. At the hospital.
The hospital.
At the restaurant.
At the restaurant.
Very good. Again, what is this? Where's the family?
Yeah.
Mật ong gia đình ở đâu?
Where's the family, honey? Huh? Okay, you say, honey, at home. This is, okay, the family is at home. Okay, let's have this one. All right, you listen to this one, honey. You have to listen carefully, my dear, and say, and answer the question afterwards. Carrot?
Em phải nghe kỹ nhé, rồi hãy trả lời câu hỏi sau.
Okay. All right. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyway, honey, let's now have the first one. You listen carefully, okay? Number one.
At the restaurant.
1.
Where's the doctor?
Where's the doctor, honey? Where is the doctor?
Where is the
Bác sĩ đâu rồi?
Can you find where the doctor is?
one?
Where? Is it
One.
at home, At school, at the restaurant, or at the hospital? Where is it?
Hospital.
Very good. Okay. So you say, this is the example.
She's at the hospital.
She's at the hospital.
Hospital.
Very good. Again, honey. She's
She
at the
at the
hospital.
hospital.
Very good. One more time. She's at the hospital.
She is at a hospital.
Very good. Now let's move forward to the next one. Let's have number 2.
2.
Where's the teacher?
Where's the teacher? Where's the teacher, honey?
Giáo viên đâu rồi?
Where's the teacher? At. He's at. Where's the teacher? Is it at home, at school, at the hospital, or at the restaurant?
Restaurant.
Huh? Teacher?
Lên trên ghế ngồi trên
Teacher?
Giáo viên đâu rồi? Giáo viên đâu rồi?
Can you say it? Can you find where the teacher is, honey? Teacher.
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 Giáo viên.
Teacher.
Where is the teacher?
Giáo viên đâu rồi?
Can you find where the teacher is?
Yes.
Bạn có thể tìm xem giáo viên ở đâu không?
Is it at home, at school, at the hospital, or at the restaurant? Where is the teacher? Huh? Where does the teacher
Teacher was.
Giáo viên đó làm việc ở đâu? Giáo viên đó làm việc ở đâu?
Where does the teacher work? At school or at the hospital? Where? Very good. Yeah, so you say, he's at school.
He's at school.
One more time, where's the teacher? He's at
He's
school.
at school.
Very good. Okay, let's see. Let's hear.
He's at school.
Very good. Now let's have number 3.
3.
Where's the student?
Where's the student? Where's the student? Where is the...
Học sinh đó đang ở đâu?
Where's the student?
Học sinh đó đang ở đâu?
Is it at the hospital or at home? Huh? Look at the place. What place is this? Is it home? Is it home or hospital?
Hospital.
No, he's at home. One more time. He's at home.
School.
Yeah.
Anh ấy đang ở nhà.
Very good. One more time. He's at home. Honey? Say, he's at home.
He's at school.
Very good. Now let's have Number 4. Let's go to number 4 now. Listen carefully to number 4.
He's at home.
4.
Where's the cook?
Where's the cook? Honey, where's the cook?
Đầu bếp đâu rồi?
Okay. He's at the... Honey, is it restaurant or hospital? Where's the cook?
Đầu bếp đâu rồi?
Hospital or restaurant?
Hospital.
No, hospital. Honey, hospital is...
Bệnh viện,
Restaurant is...
nhà hàng.
So, the cook is at the restaurant. You say, he's
The
at the...
restaurant.
Yeah, he's at the restaurant.
The restaurant.
One more time. He's at the restaurant.
She is the restaurant.
Anh ấy đang ở nhà hàng.
Okay, very good, honey. So, I want you to study these words, honey. At home, at school, at the hospital, and at the restaurant. This will be your homework, okay? So let's move forward to this page. Okay, let's have this one, honey. Where's the student? You say. Where's the doctor? You say. She's at the hospital. She's
at the hospital.
Very good. Where's the teacher? You say. He's at school.
He at school.
Let's have number 3. Where's the student? You say. He's at
He
home.
at home.
Very
He's
good.
at home.
Very good. We have number 4. Where's the cook? You say. She's at the restaurant.
She is a restaurant.
Very good. Anyway, honey, the time is already over and Teacher Shane has to go to the next class now. Bye-bye, Karens. I love you. Bye-bye. And see you next time on Monday. Bye-bye.